So I went to Hobby Lobby today looking for a lemon wreath. Couldn't find anything I liked, so I've instilled the help of Zeb and these lemons to make a little wreath for my front door. I'm going to mount it on this, and we're going to do a little door makeover. Alright, so this is going behind the wreath. It's a tobacco basket, and it's a knockoff from Hobby Lobby. It was half off, so it was $15.
Normally it would have been $30.
$29.95.
Good thing you got it half off.
Yeah, and the real tobacco baskets are great, but they're like hundreds of dollars, so that's going on the back. But before we do that, we're gonna put lemons on this wreath. This wreath was $25 at Hobby Lobby.
Is that supposed to be clovers?
I don't know. Regularly $50.
I like it. It's got good coloring.
So we're just gonna take the glue gun. Can you just put glue on the ends of these? Pass them to me, and then I'll just...
So you just want it right on the end?
Yeah. These are fake lemons. They were $5 a bag. I don't know if I'm gonna need both bags. So when I glue them, I like to kind of hold them in place. So he's loading them up with glue, and I'm holding them down until they dry for about 30 to 45 seconds. I'm randomly attaching them all over. Hobby Lobby probably sells these pre-made, but they didn't have any.
So how much were the lemons?
The lemons were $4.99 a bag, and they were not on sale. So I used a coupon on one. Actually, no, I didn't use a coupon on them because I bought a really cute doormat. And I used a coupon on that. So they're $4.99 a bag. Lemons are really popular in farmhouse decor, but for whatever reason, I haven't been able to find a lot of lemon stuff, except for online. And it's kind of expensive online, so. All right, so we wound up only using one bag, so I'll have to find another project for those.
If you wanted it to be really lemony, I mean, if you really wanted this thing to be tart, you could use both bags.
Oh, do you want a tart wreath?
Nope, I don't like tart. I'm a sweets guy.
It's because you're sweet.
I don't know about that.
All right, so the next step is we've got floral wire and Zeb.
It looks like this.
Yeah, it looks like that. It's like just a low gauge wire. And he clips it with toenail clippers.
I'm just using toenail clippers because it clips it super good. Maybe safety glasses, because it'll shoot it.
Or if you have metal snippers, those would also work. But toenail clippers in a pinch. Crafters.
I wasn't in a pinch, I like these.
We put this on top of the tobacco basket. Zeb's gonna wire it on for me. For whatever reason, I suck at wiring things. So you're gonna wanna probably do about 6 areas so that way it's nice and secure. Especially since you've added these lemons, you want to give it a little bit extra security.
So it's got like this green vine looking thing that's been wrapped on the back end of it, and I'm just going to use that. I'm going to try to not wrap on the leaf portion, just on this. So I'm starting out just about an 8-10 inch section, and this sits in here just about perfect. So I'm going from the bottom, just going from the bottom here. Gonna loop it around and through. We'll flip this whole thing over so you can see the back side. So that's just there like that, almost like tying a knot. And then I'm gonna give it some twisties. And then I kind of push this knot section over, and with my super technical toenail clippers. And I don't want it scratching up the door every time the wind blows, so I'm gonna roll that around in there, up underneath. And I'll do that around the whole thing, and it'll be attached probably about 6 more times like Jamie said. Ta-da!
You're such a good crafter.
It's such a fast, quick thing.
But you know what, sometimes when you go to the craft store or the decor store, you can't find what you want. So sometimes it's all about thinking outside the box. So this cost me about $45 for the lemons, the wreath, and the tobacco basket. And in a decor store, it probably would cost you somewhere about $95 to $100 if you were to find this at a farmhouse store. I know.
Have you been paying that much for wreaths our whole life?
The fall wreath I bought was $85, and I thought it was a deal.
Well, we'll make more then. I'm all on board for crafting more wreaths.
We used a glue gun, a glue stick, we've got a bag of lemons, a wreath from Hobby Lobby, a tobacco basket from Hobby Lobby, and some wire. That's all it took. Also, I bought a really cute rug, and I'm going to have Zeb show you a picture of it. It kind of goes with my theme, and I'm just working towards making our front porch a little bit more presentable.
Yeah, it goes with the whole summer front porch update.
That's right, it's coming through. Be sure to comment below with your questions about how to update your summer porch or any design dilemmas that you have. We're happy to help you out. Zeb is a super good craft problem solver. I'm like, Zeb, I need to do this, and then he figures out how to do that.
Yes. For cheaper than
Sure.
$100 for a wreath for your door that's
And a
gonna get
tobacco basket.
that's gonna get blown off in the wind.
Share this video with your friends that love Hobby Lobby. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.